Excuse me? Does this bus go to Oak Street?
Yes, about 15 minutes.
What stop do I need?
Third stop after the bridge.
Thank you.
First time on this route?
Yes. New job today.
Nervous?
A little.
You will do great.
I hope so.
What kind of job?
Marketing at a small company.
Sounds exciting.
I am excited and scared.
That is normal.
Any advice?
Just be yourself.
Simple advice.
The best advice usually is.
True.
Your stop is next.
Already?
Good luck today.
Thank you.
What can I get you?
Medium latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot. Extra shot.
Long day ahead?
First day at a new job.
Oh, exciting.
And terrifying.
You will be fine.
I need the caffeine.
Extra shot is smart.
What time do you open?
6 a.m. every day.
I will be here every morning.
I will remember your order.
That fast?
We get regulars quick.
Medium hot latte. Extra shot.
See? Already memorized.
Perfect. How much?
$5.25.
Here you go.
Good luck at work.
Thank you. Hi, I am the new hire.
Welcome. Your name?
Sarah Miller.
Marketing department?
Yes,
We have been expecting you.
I am a little early.
That is great. Good first impression.
Where do I go?
Third floor, room 305.
Elevator or stairs?
Elevator, down the hall.
Thank you.
Here is your visitor badge.
Visitor badge?
For today only. You get a real one later.
Got it.
Your manager's name is David.
David. Okay.
He is very friendly.
That is good to hear.
You will love it here.
I hope so.
Good luck on your first day.
Sarah, welcome to the team.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
How was your commute?
Easy. Took the bus.
The Oak Street stop?
Yes, 20 minutes away.
Very convenient.
The office looks great.
We moved in last year.
Brand new.
Let me show you around.
That would be great.
This is the conference room.
Nice and big.
Team meetings every Monday,
What time?
9 a.m.
Got it.
And this is the break room.
Free coffee?
Free coffee, free snacks.
I already love this place.
Everyone says that.
When do I start working?
After IT sets you up.
Sounds good.
Hey, how is it going?
So good.
Nervous still?
Not anymore.
Your boss is nice?
Very friendly.
Good office?
Brand new. Very modern.
Did you find everything?
Yes. Got my laptop.
Email set up?
All ready.
Free coffee?
First thing I asked.
That is my girl.
And free snacks.
Even better.
Everyone is so kind.
I told you.
You were right.
What time is lunch?
12:30.
Eating alone?
A coworker invited me.
Already making friends.
She is on the same team.
That is great.
I should get back to work.
Go get them.
Talk tonight.
Hi. Are you the new girl?
Yes, I started today.
I am Emily. Same team. Nice to meet you. How is your first day? A lot to learn. It gets easier, trust me. How long have you been here? 2 years. Do you like it? Love it. Great team. That makes me feel better. What are you getting? What is good here? The chicken wrap. I will try that. And the soup is free. Free soup? Nice. Do you live nearby? 20 minutes by bus. I take the same bus. Really? Bus 47? Yes, same stop too. We can write together. I would love that. This is a great first day. It only gets better.
How does this printer work?
First time?
Yes, it looks complicated.
It is easy. I will show you.
Thank you.
Press the green button.
This one?
Yes. Then enter the code.
4521?
That is it.
Then what?
Select your options.
Color or black and white?
Black and white is faster.
How many copies?
Enter the number here.
Then press start?
Yes, you got it.
That was easy.
Told you.
Can it scan too?
Yes, same machine.
Put the paper face down?
Exactly. Then press scan.
It sends to my email?
Automatically.
This machine does everything.
Almost.
How was your first day?
Amazing, but exhausting.
That is normal. So much new information. It takes a few weeks.
To feel comfortable?
Yes, then it is easy.
Everyone was so nice.
We are a good team.
I can tell.
Same bus home?
Yes, bus 47.
It comes in 5 minutes. Perfect timing.
Tomorrow will be easier. Promise? Promise.
Second day is always easier.
I will hold you to that. Deal. Here comes the bus. Let's go.
Welcome home.
I am so tired.
Sit down. Dinner is ready.
You cooked?
Of course. Your first day.
You are so sweet.
So tell me everything.
Where do I start?
The people?
Everyone is so kind.
And your coworker?
She takes the same bus.
That is so convenient.
We rode home together.
Already making friends.
She is really helpful.
The lunch was good?
Free soup.
You love free food.
I was so nervous this morning.
And now?
I cannot wait for tomorrow.
That is the best answer.
The bus driver was right.
What did he say?
Just be yourself.
Smart advice.
I think I found the right place.
I am so proud of you.
Thank you for dinner.
Anytime. You earned it.